Hey everyone, this is filler number 6 for the chainsaw from Mr. Andy Hodge. Spot 1 gets 3, spot 10 gets 2, 10 to 5. Copy our list. Go live. 546, just rolled over 547. Paste our list, roll our dice, we need a 4 higher, 547. We got a 5. 547 5 times. 10 items on the list. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 items on the list. Mr. Chris on top, Miss Tanya on the bottom. We've randomized 4 times. Dice called for a 5. 547, final time. Good luck, everyone. 1 gets 3 and 10 gets 2. Mr. Jason McCormick in the top spot gets 3 spots. Miss Tanya in the 10th spot gets 2 spots. 10 items on the list, 5 times, 5 on the dice. Congrats, winners. We are done at 547. Rolled over 548. Thanks, everyone.